video, I just want to show you how you can download free ebooks that you can resell legally and make 100% profit for you. Let's go. So to find my ebooks for free that I can resell legally, I'm using idplr.com. I'll leave the link below. You can go ahead and get to the website straight away. So you can get free ebooks, free software, videos, audio, graphics, templates, and you can resell them and make 100% profit with no issues. You get the resale rights for the product. So let's go ahead and go to ebooks, and I already worked uh, for a funnel for this ebook. So we'll go ahead. So what you'll do, you'll download the ebook, but I'll show you what you get when you download it. So first of all, you just want to make sure that you have the resale rights, which is included here. So it's perfect. You can sell it, as you can see, you can use it for yourself. And here's the list of what you get, what you can do with it. And this is the list of what you cannot do with it, and you cannot modify the ebook or change any of the graphics or e-cover. You cannot give it away for free. So this cannot be a free ebook that you offer. And that's that. So once you download the ebook, they'll give you a folder like that. And I'll show you what you get. So you get a folder and you have the e-covers, the emails, report, that's the actual ebook, the squeeze page, and some articles. So the squeeze page, this is what it is. So they'll show you exactly how is the squeeze page for the product. So you can just copy that same idea and make your own sales funnel. So what you can do, there's option number one, which is pretty easy. You just download the ebook and you just publish it on Amazon KDP. Super easy. You can just go ahead and download some other ebooks if you want and just like put them for sale right here. Put a fair price and see where that takes you for that option. Option number two, you can create your own funnel. So I'm using system.io and I already created a funnel for this ebook, and I will leave the link below of this completely created sales funnel for that ebook. But you can definitely like change the product. You can change the ebook and put another one and keep the same kind of template, or you can just modify it. System.io is so easy to use that I just invite you to try the product, try system.io and see if you like it. It's very, very beginner friendly. So that's what I decided to use since I started to create funnels actually. So this is how my funnel looks like. Let me show you. So this is what I created. It was very, very quick to do. So I guess you can change it and do whatever you want. I set up a price of $1. When you do that, if you create your funnel for to sell a product, you'll have to set up your payments as well in system.io. So you'll set up your payments. So they accept PayPal and Stripe. So once you set up your details in there, then you can sell products, ebooks, softwares, whatever you want to sell, webinars, courses. So that's that. So once you click here, it takes you to this page where you just enter your details, your email address. When you click to take advantage of the offer, it's going to take you to your billing info. So that's where you can just pay. And once that's done, you'll get to the thank you page. And I'll show you the thank you page. This is what it is. So the product is going to show the price. You can download the ebook right there if you want, but I also set up an email that will be sent to the customer as soon as they pay for the ebook. So that's that for the funnel. I'll leave the link below and you can use it if you want, change it up, do whatever you want with it. But definitely take advantage of this website here, idplr.com. I think it's pretty amazing. It's free to sign up and you get a lot of options here. You can, sell some softwares or videos or audios or any other option you want. So let's check the software. Yeah, you have a lot of softwares as well and with resale rights as you can see. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video and I'll see you on the next one.